my parents are immigrants from Azerbaijan. They came to Sweden, and Azerbaijan is like a country next to Turkey. It's Eurasian, right? Between Europe and Asia. And the Azerbaijani language, I grew up speaking it, right? But I didn't read or write at all because I grew up in Sweden. And so I grew up, learning English and Swedish. And so I never knew how to read or write Azerbaijani. But despite that, I still spoke it fluently, like fluently in the sense of speaking with family and stuff, right? Growing up, when I spoke Azerbaijani, even though I'm still considered, completely fluent, of course, my grandparents and stuff, they don't speak any, their Swedish is kind of okay, and their Swedish is not that good, and they don't speak any English. And so, like, I'm able to completely communicate with my grandparents, yet I still have to replace a lot of the words that I don't know in Azerbaijani with Swedish words, because that's just the way that I grew up, that's just the way I grew up with speaking with my parents, for example. We'll basically speak Azerbaijani, and then when I don't know how to say something in Azerbaijani, which is very often, then I'll either switch to Swedish completely, or I'll mix Swedish and Azerbaijani. Despite that, I'm still considered fluent in Azerbaijani. And so it shows that fluency was never perfection. It was just conversations. Fluency requires flow, but it doesn't require perfection. If you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods, and you'll find it in the first link in the description.